Hey guys, it's Crying Kane. My camera's kind of falling, but hey guys, it's Crying Kane. I'm back with another video today. So, today I'm going to be showing you how to make some bird chop. But today I have some seeds with me because my birds actually don't know how to chop all over on their own. So, I'm going to show you how I make my birds chop. First I get some broccoli. Like broccoli. Okay, so I get broccoli, and then I cut it up like this. Wow, that was a bad cut. Anyways, but I cut it up like that. Like that. Technically, I kind of used a lot of this broccoli. So, yeah. I know you guys would say it's not that smart because I can just use more, but I don't really want to waste it because, yeah, the birds actually like the broccoli. So that's just the TV in the background. So, yeah, I don't like these big pieces like that. I don't like that kind of big pieces. And I'm going to turn on the light for you guys can see it much better. So, yeah. So, I make this for their chop. So, I just do that. And then, that big pile, I don't use all of it. The birds are screaming because they're not right next to each other because they're fighting a lot. Well, they aren't fighting a lot, but like, you know. So, then I just have a bunch of this. I usually put it in this little container right here because they're always on their play gym, and this is what they always eat out of. So I first technically start like with some of that, like just a little bit, like that, and then I put a tiny bit more. I just put enough to fill in the bottom, kind of like this. Kind of like to fill up the bottom. And then I get some apples. And since I don't have that much room on my cutting board, I'm just gonna like bale. This bales. So this just will go like that. I don't want to get anything like on my apple, but it's going to be kind of hard. I think it's going to have to happen. Okay, so I have the apple. Okay, so you guys can see. So I have the apple. Oh gosh. Look at all of that. Ew. Okay. Okay, so I have the apple. I just like cut about like that. Oh my gosh, I didn't cut anything. I cut about like this much. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I cut about this much. Got a little bit of that. Oh, perfect. So then I bring it over here. You can't see it right now. It's because I have to cut it in a zone where there's actually nothing. And so then I just cut it into strips. Like that. And then I just okay. So I just do this. Like just cut it in little. Like I have to cut it super little because they have, oh my god, there's so many dry dishes. So I just like cut it. I have to cut it into tiny bits because the birds don't have a big beak. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I kind of cut this kind of bad. It takes me a while. But they don't have like a lot. They just have it. Like, I have to cut it a lot. Because they won't be able to, like this, they're going to, they can't eat it. Like that big, I have to cut it even more. So, yeah. I know you guys might be saying, just leave it alone. Just give them an apple. But my birds aren't totally used to chop. So I have to, cut it small. Like that. So this will go in there. I don't really put a lot in there because they got used to the broccoli pretty fast. So I'm putting some apples in there, starting to. Then I grab the seeds, start pouring that on there, like a little frosting, like that. Like a little, like, sprinkle, sprinkle. So then I get more broccoli, put some toppings, Like this is what I would just do. Like I just put broccoli with seeds, and first I put broccoli seeds. So now I'm doing broccoli apple seeds. So broccoli apple. So I did broccoli. Okay, so I need more. I have this piece right here. So I gotta just like move that out of the way. And then just go like this. Ding. That's much easier. Let's just do that. There. Now, like make a little tiny slice like that, and then just keep going and keep going and just keep going and going. Like that, just keep going. And then, like, I cut it up even smaller so it's easier. Like that. So then, look at that. So I just go, ta-da! And then it's just going to be broccoli and seeds. Because then they'll have that in the middle of it. So, yeah. That's how it looks like right now. Doesn't really look that yummy, but I'm sure it's pretty yummy for the birds. Yeah. Put it on there. And then I just put some broccoli. Like I cut it up until like that small. I cut it up like that small where they can actually chew on it. Okay. So now I gotta look like there's no broccoli because, you know. Birds are smart. Like, that's a lot of vegetables. And I don't really put that much broccoli. I didn't put that much broccoli like I did. I didn't put that much broccoli. I didn't even put that much broccoli when I first did this. But now I'm just having it like plain seeds. Because then they'll chew all this up and drop it. And, like, they eat all of their food. So, now I'm just gonna like clean most of this stuff. I have actually a bag that I put my broccoli in because I got it at a store. Well, technically you have to get stuff at the store. And let me just rinse this out. Like that. Brand new. Okay. So now you're like that. This is going in the trash can. Okay. So this is the bag I put in my broccoli. So yeah. So there. Oh my gosh, the broccoli top is sticking up. Boy. Okay, I'm gonna go put this in the fridge. So yeah, I'm back, and I'm gonna put this in there. Okay, now I'm back. I'll deal with this later. Well, I can just like But yeah, guys, you will see when we will serve this to the birds. Okay. Let me just like that. Now I'm just gonna wash my hands, wash this, and oh gosh, guys, this is kind of hard because there's like a little wrap. Okay, so that will go in the hamper. Well, I said that's gonna go in the hamper. Ha, I'm so funny. No, I'm not. Okay. Well, I'm gonna go put my seeds away. Okay. Oh, whoops. I actually didn't. They didn't eat those seeds, and those are the birds. This is their food. Is because I did not do that. Is because their food. That's the product. Let's go serve it. So, hi, Kiwi. So, I'm going to move this onto the table. Hi, Kiwi. Okay, so I'm going to move this onto the table, and I will be right back. Oh, yeah, guys. Now look at sweet little Kiwi. Okay, I'll turn off the light so you can see her. Because I had the light on just so you guys could see. Come here. Ta-da! Kiwi girl. Let's go get Sky. Hi, baby. Hi, puppies. Hi. Why is he your best friend? They actually peck each other, so beware of pecking. So, yeah. And that's their chop. These are the little babies, their whole jungle gym, and their cage. Whoop, whoop. Hup. So, yeah. See, pecking. So, yeah, guys. Hi, guys. It's me, Sky. And I hope you guys subscribe. And it's me, Kiwi. And I hope you guys like. Have a good day. Because I am a bird. And have a good day. Because I hope you listen to me. Because I'm so cute, right? I'm so cute. So I'm going to go back to my friend. So yeah, guys, like, subscribe, and have a good day. Just like Sky and Kiwi said.